Hey everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to invite someone to your clan in Clash Royale. First of all, launch open your Clash Royale application on your mobile device. And once you end up in this home screen, tap on the Clans tab at the bottom. Now, tap on your clan's name at the top of the screen inside Clans tab, and this will open up your clan info. To invite someone to your clan, tap on the Invite to Clan button in green. You can invite friends directly from your friend list by simply tapping on their profile picture or their name, or share your clan's ID or invite link with other players so they can join in. If you want to directly choose a friend from the list, simply tap on their contact and an automated invite link will be displayed on the screen. Tap the Send button at the top right in order to send the invite to your chosen friend. You can also go ahead and choose any other messaging applications and select a contact that you want to invite to your clan. If you want to invite your friends via clan's ID, from the clan info page, tap on the little horizontal lines with a little plus in it, and you will be able to see your clan's tag. Tap on Copy Tag and then share your clan's ID to one of your contacts so that they can join in to your clan. Once the player receives your invitation, they can accept it or decline it. If they choose to accept, then you will be able to invite and add them to your clan in Clash Royale. So that is how it's super easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.